hurricane in name. Consumed by flames of ignorance, coconuts receive awards for their brains. Rats play the tune for the pipers to dance, while our young voices scream in vain. Consumed by flames of foolishness, we build rails but acquire no trains. Drowning in rivers of hopelessness, we place baskets in the rain. Is it fear, caution, or just fate? Someone please explain. For when dirt is heaped on our plates, we sing and complain in refrains. Consumed by flames of rage, our deeds are recorded with pain. Humanity stumbles into a new age with a world laden with Cain. Consumed by flames of blind faith, we count material riches as gains. With muddled up feelings of love and hate, we burn again and again and again. What a stream.